Did you know that the Roswell UFO incident is one of the most debated and controversial events in history? This enigmatic event, which unfolded in the summer of 1947, continues to captivate and puzzle us. What truly transpired in the desolate scrublands of Roswell, New Mexico? Was it merely the crash of a weather balloon, as the official accounts claim? Or was it something far more extraordinary? Perhaps a crashed alien spacecraft? Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned to find out more about this fascinating incident. According to the official report, what crashed in Roswell was a weather balloon. Now that seems quite mundane, doesn't it? But let's delve a bit deeper. The US military was quick to announce that the object found on the ranch near Roswell, New Mexico, back in 1947, was nothing more than a common weather balloon. The story was accepted, the media coverage died down, and for a time, it seemed like the incident was put to rest. However, the official explanation raised more questions than it answered. How could a simple weather balloon cause such a stir? Why did the initial reports refer to a flying disc? And why was the military so keen on recovering the debris? The answers may lie in a top-secret project known as Project Mogul. This was not your average weather balloon. Project Mogul was an initiative by the US military to detect sound waves in the upper atmosphere from potential Soviet nuclear tests. The balloons used in this project were enormous, reaching altitudes higher than even the highest flying aircraft of the time. They were equipped with sensitive microphones and other instruments, making them far more complex than a typical weather balloon. When the military declared the Roswell object as a weather balloon, they were not entirely wrong, but they were not entirely truthful either. The Roswell object wasn't a weather balloon in the traditional sense, it was a mogul balloon, a highly classified piece of equipment that the military would have been desperate to keep under wraps. But the question remains, why did the military not reveal the true nature of the balloon? Was it simply to protect their top-secret project? Or was there something more sinister at play? Could the Roswell incident have been a convenient distraction? A smokescreen hiding an even bigger secret? But was this the whole truth, or a mere cover-up? As we delve deeper into the Roswell incident, we'll see that the official story is just the tip of an iceberg of secrets, speculation, and stories that continue to captivate and confound us to this day. Many believe that the official story was a smokescreen to hide the real event. Now let us delve into the heart of this enigma, the conspiracy theories themselves. These theories, as strange as they may sound, have managed to capture the imaginations of millions around the world. The most prevalent theory suggests that the Roswell incident was not a weather balloon crash, but a crash of an extraterrestrial spacecraft. Proponents of this theory claim that the US government, in a bid to maintain national security and avoid mass panic, quickly covered up the truth. You might ask, why would they do this? The answer often cited is that the government wanted to study the advanced alien technologies in secret. Eyewitness accounts add more fuel to this theory. Some Roswell residents have come forward over the years with stories of seeing not just the wreckage of an unknown aircraft, but also the bodies of its alien occupants. These accounts describe the aliens as small, humanoid figures with large heads and eyes, a description that has become synonymous with our modern representation of extraterrestrials. Then there's the question of the mysterious metal debris found at the crash site. Witnesses said it was unlike anything they had ever seen. It was incredibly light yet extraordinarily robust, and it had peculiar properties. Some described it as a memory metal that could return to its original shape after being crumpled or bent. All these elements together have created a narrative that's hard to ignore. They paint a picture of a significant event that was swiftly and meticulously hidden from the public eye. A story of a government scrambling to cover its tracks, of an alien encounter that was silenced before it could echo around the world. These theories continue to fuel debates and speculations even today. Whether you believe in them or not, they certainly make for an intriguing tale. A tale of the unknown, of what could be out there, beyond the stars. A tale that makes us question our place in the universe, and the secrets that our world may be hiding. In 1994, the US Air Force released the Roswell Report. This document was a culmination of years of speculation and investigation, aiming to provide a definitive answer to the lingering questions surrounding the infamous 1947 incident. The report, weighing in at a hefty 996 pages, made a bold declaration. It concluded that the object that crashed near Roswell, New Mexico, was not of extraterrestrial origin, as many conspiracy theorists had suggested. Instead, the report described the debris as remnants of a top-secret project known as Project Mogul. This was a highly classified operation aimed at detecting Soviet nuclear tests. The so-called UFO was, in fact, a high-altitude balloon equipped with sophisticated surveillance technology. But what about the alleged alien bodies reported by some eyewitnesses? The Roswell Report had an answer for that too. It suggested these supposed extraterrestrial beings were nothing more than anthropomorphic test dummies. These dummies were used in parachute tests carried out around the same time, and their unusual appearance could have easily been mistaken for something otherworldly. The report's conclusions were backed by extensive research and a thorough examination of the evidence. Yet, it was met with a considerable amount of skepticism. Critics argued that the report was simply another cover-up, a clever attempt by the government to divert attention away from the truth. Despite the Air Force's best efforts to put the Roswell incident to rest, the Roswell Report did little to quell the conspiracy theories. Instead, it only fueled the fire, igniting a new wave of speculation and debate. Many still believe that the government is hiding evidence of extraterrestrial contact, and the Roswell incident remains a cornerstone of UFO conspiracy theories. But did this report manage to quell the conspiracy theories? Not quite. The mystery of Roswell continues to intrigue and bewilder, a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. The Roswell incident continues to intrigue and mystify people around the globe. The year 1947 may seem like a distant memory, but the echoes of that peculiar summer in New Mexico are as resonant as ever. The fascination, the curiosity, the relentless quest for answers, they haven't waned. Instead, they've grown, evolved, and taken on a life of their own. Consider the Roswell UFO Museum and Research Center, a testament to mankind's enduring captivation with the unknown. Every year, scores of visitors flock to this establishment, hoping to glean some insight into what transpired all those years ago. The museum's walls are adorned with countless newspaper clippings, photographs, and witness accounts, each one a piece of the enigmatic puzzle that is the Roswell incident. And then there's the annual UFO Festival, a colorful, vibrant celebration that not only keeps the memory of the incident alive, but also encourages open discussions, debates, and speculations. It's a place where believers and skeptics alike can come together, united by their shared interest in the unexplained. The incident has also found its way into the realm of pop culture, inspiring a plethora of books, movies, and TV series. From factual accounts and documentary-style explorations to fictionalized retellings and dramatic interpretations, the Roswell incident has proven to be a fertile ground for storytellers. It's a narrative that captivates, that pulls you in, that makes you question and wonder. But despite all the attention, all the investigations and theories, the truth remains elusive. The Roswell incident is, at its core, a mystery that, over 70 years later, is still begging to be solved. It teases us, challenges us, dares us to keep digging, to keep seeking, to keep asking that one persistent question. What truly happened in Roswell in 1947? Whether you believe in extraterrestrial life or not, the Roswell UFO incident is undeniably a fascinating piece of history. It's a tale that has been spun and respun, a story that has been dissected and analyzed from every angle. Yet, despite the countless investigations and studies, the truth remains as elusive as ever. The official story tells us of a weather balloon, an explanation that, while plausible, seems almost too mundane for such an explosive event. The conspiracy theories, on the other hand, offer a tantalizing glimpse into a world beyond our own. They suggest a cover-up, a secret too big to reveal, and hint at a reality far more complex than we can imagine. The Roswell Report, a detailed investigation into the incident, brought forward numerous testimonies and evidence that both support and challenge the official narrative. And yet, even with all this information at our disposal, the mysteries persist. The incident continues to captivate and confuse, providing endless fodder for debates and discussions. In the end, it's up to you to decide what you believe. The Roswell UFO incident is a fascinating study in ambiguity, a reminder that there are still mysteries out there waiting to be solved. It's a testament to our endless curiosity, our desire to know and understand the world around us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of history's greatest mysteries, don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content.